Hi, welcome to my course Español Intensivo, Intensive Spanish Course for Beginners. My name is Kamel Pakula and I'm a teacher of languages. This course is meant for beginners and false beginners who have never had anything to do with Spanish or just a little bit and would like to refresh what they know. Well, in my course I use quite a lot of exercises, both written exercises and audio exercises. Well, actually, the audio exercises are attached to each lecture. And this is because I think practice is very important. Also, within the lectures, there are lots of opportunities for you to practice, like, for example, repeating the phrases. And I think that repetition and saying something over and over again is a very good practice because you memorize things. Well, this course is an intensive course, which means it covers quite a lot of topics. I think the pace is not very slow. It isn't very fast either. I think the pace is moderate, so you should have no problems following it. And I think I express myself quite clearly. And naturally, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with me and I'll do my best to answer and help. Well, I'm really glad you're here, and I do hope you will like this course, you will enjoy this course, and I'm sure you'll be doing fine. Okay, let's start.